little mask. There we go. Like that. Hi guys, I'm Trace Lysette, and this is Masked and Answered with Marie Claire. I'm going to do a mask and chill with you and answer some beauty questions. I'm gonna try this Pearl mask by LAPCOS. This is my co-star, Mae West. She's already trying to steal the shine. Watch it, girl. Ooh, I am slathered, honey. Can you walk us through your morning skincare routine? When I'm a good girl, I usually get up, I'll wash with this L'Oreal, and then some of this Homer's face oil, my all-time favorite moisturizer, L'Oreal Age Perfect. It's rose colored. I have trouble with chalky moisturizers, and this one is like a rose color. Then I just get into my makeup, and on the average day, if I have an audition or something, I try to keep it kind of minimal and clean. What kind of music do you listen to when you're masking and getting ready? It just honestly depends on my mood. I have like a feel-good mix on Spotify. Generally, I'm kind of more of a calm soul around the house. What's your favorite at-home beauty ritual? So for my bath, when I like to relax, I throw on some music and I pop a couple of these cubes in from Shea Moisture, sugar cubes, and then a little bit of body oil from Palmer's. Do you deal with acne or unwanted pimples? Of course I do. Everyone does. Well, I like to just kind of leave them alone until they can't be ignored anymore, and then you gotta handle it. Have you done anything weird or out of the box in the name of skincare? I'd say the most extreme thing, Fraxel laser, where they zap your skin and you gotta stay in the house for like 4 days. What's your favorite beauty habit that helps you unwind? I take off everything. Before I crawl into bed, I use this Midnight Recovery from Kiehl's. This is also known as Magic in a Bottle. Oil and moisture is life. When do you feel most beautiful? I think I feel most beautiful when I'm around people who love me. Of a fine man, still hunting for him, don't know where he is. Who is your go-to facialist or esthetician? Me? All-time favorite serum. I like this Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid lip balm or lip gloss. I'm definitely a lip balm girl. Glossier Rose Balm. Yet again with the roses. If you see a theme, you know it is what it is. I like roses. Favorite beauty and wellness supplement. I take Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails gummies, and they taste good. Tinted moisturizer or foundation. If I'm gonna wear it, I'm gonna wear foundation. Lightweight or heavy moisturizer. Heavy, baby. Heavy, heavy. You got so heavy on me. Skincare minimalist or maximalist? I would say I fall in the middle. I definitely have to do it, but I don't go crazy with it. Let's see what this had done, y'all. Let's see what she's giving up under here. You ready? Ooh. Yes. Yes. She's giving it, honey. This feels great. I mean, wow. This is wet. Okay. It's definitely for, whoa, hydrating. Well, I would recommend this. I think it's nice. I would do it again if I needed to hydrate. Thank you for watching Masked and Answered with me. It's now your turn to mask and chill. Don't forget to subscribe to Marie Claire's channel, and in the comments, please leave what masks you're using. Bye. Well, thank you guys for doing the mask and chill sesh with me, Masked and Answered. No, that's not how it goes. Okay, thank you for watching Masked and Answered. Come on, Trace, be an actress.